Read it.
Good morning. Maganda.
Dang.
Dang.
Ulit. Again.
Ma.
Gan.
Done.
Ma. Gan.
Gun.
Look at mommy.
Ma.
Gan.
Gun.
Dang.
Da.
Dang.
Dang.
Again.
Ma.
Gan. Dang.
Dang. Umaga.
Next.
How are you?
Sophia, wait.
Kumusta
Ka.
ka? Can
Again.
you do it and sound out? Kumusta ka?
Okay. Later. Do it later. This one.
Good afternoon. This ma gun dong
Tang.
tong
Ha.
ha
Li.
li
Again.
ma gun dong ta
Tang.
dong ha li
Again.
da
Tang.
tong
Michael. Put line on it.
the whole thing like
Tang.
that too.
Tang, Michael. T-A-N-G. Ha. Sophia, wait, please. Again.
Ma gun dong da wait a minute dong ha
Li.
wait this sounds like Lee.
Okay, again.
Ma gun da
Michael.
dong
Again.
ma
Huh?
ma gun dong dong ha Lee.
Good. This one. Good evening.
Good evening. Ma ga dong Mama get be.
Again.
Mama. Good evening. Ma gun dong Gabby.
Good.
This means ga and this B. These two sounds like B.
Okay,
A
next.
letter B. A sound.
Yeah. Okay,
Can I have
next.
some too, Mama?
After you
thirsty.
read it. Next. This one.
Head.
Ooh.
O. Wo.
Lo.
Wo.
Ulo.
O.
Again.
Head. O.
Can I say? Ulo.
O.
Ulo. Next.
O. That's O.
Next.
Head. K.
Hoy. Read it, Michael. Hand. Head.
Head.
Hand.
Hand. K.
Remember your birthday.
I don't remember.
May and then Mai.
My.
Again, what is hand?
Ka. My.
Kamay. Kamay.
Ka. This kind of sounds like ma.
Mai.
This kind of sounds like my. This kind of sounds like my. Like
Okay.
that.
Next. Feet.
Feet. Pa.
Again.
Feet.
again.
Sophia, close it. Pa. Ah.
Paa.
Pa.
And then here.
What is your name? Oh.
Ano?
Ano? Ang. Pa.
Nga.
Na.
Lan.
Lan.
Mo.
Mo.
Again. Ano?
Ano? Ang. Pa. Neo.
Wait. Pangalan.
Pangalan.
Again. This one.
Pangalan.
Pa.
Pa.
Nga.
Na.
Hoy, can I see your mouth? Nga.
Na.
Nga, Michael. Nga. Nga. Pangalan.
Na.
Hoy.
Na.
Pa.
Pa.
Nga.
Na.
No, not na, Michael. Nga. Pa. Pa.
Ha.
Pa. Pi. Pa. Pa. Hoy. Pa.
Pa.
Nga.
Na.
Not na. Nga. Open your
Nga.
Nga.
Na.
There, you got it. Okay. Pa.
Na.
Pa.
Pa.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Na.
Like, your tongue. Nga. Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Na. Na.
Yeah, like that. Again.
Ha.
Nga. Don't put your tongue. Na. No, not na.
Na.
Na is in na, right? Na. But we're not gonna use the na. It
Na.
should be nga.
Mama. Ha.
Ha.
Mama.
Ha. Nga.
Oh.
Nga. You will get it. Sophia, wait, Sophia. Kaylee. Okay, kami. Pa. Nga.
Mama.
Lan.
Na. Lan. Mo.
Yeah, that's right. This one.
My name is Michael.
This one.
Ako.
Ko.
A.
Ko.
And. Ko.
Yeah. I.
like Coco.
Yeah.
It
Read
could
it.
even be like that.
Read it.
Oh.
Ako.
Ako.
I.
This means I.
See.
See. You want see.
Okay. And then your name, Michael.
My.
You know your name.
Yeah, that's my. And Michael.
Okay. Or you can use this one. Ang.
Ang.
Pa.
Pa.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Ha.
Again. Nga. Nga. You can do it. Nga. Nga. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Like that. You know that? Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Michael, do it. Ang ngo. Pangalan. Ang panga.
Na.
Nga.
Na.
Okay. Lan.
Nan.
Ko.
Go.
Read this. Michael, read this.
Go.
Just like you read them there.
A. I.
Mm-hmm.
It's up. C. Michael.
Again. Mike, Sophia, your hair. Your hair. Read it.
Ang. Pa.
Nga.
Yeah.
You will practice that later.
Yeah.
Yeah, again.
Yeah.
Nga. Nga. Michael, look at my tongue. I didn't do my tongue. I didn't do that.
Yeah.
Put your tongue down. Put your tongue.
Yeah.
I like this. Can you do like this? Nga. Nga.
Yeah.
Again. Almost there.
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Nga.
Yeah.
I like that, like that. Again. Nga.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
Nga.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that. Lan.
Run.
Lan. Pangalan. Here, oh. You look
Okay.
far.
And that is, it's divided like that. Run.
Ko. Ko, Michael. Pangalan ko.
Also sounds like cool.
Next.
I see Michael.
Okay, very good. Very good.